So, you have your new street strider, you're ready to go out for your first stride, an exciting time. I'm Dave Kraus, I'm the inventor of the street strider, and I'm going to show you how to start off in stride the most simplest way and the safest way to do it. Now this is a 7-eye street strider, which means it has 7 gears, and I'm going to start off in gear 4 or 5. If you have a 3-eye or a 3-speed, you're going to start off in gears 1 or 2. And as you get moving, you're going to shift up to the higher gears, making a nice smooth cadence. These striders often come with the brakes locked, so you want to squeeze the brake levers in, let the brake levers unlock so you can move. Now, the street strider has a lean to steer system. It leans over to steer, much like a bicycle. So when you start this, what you want to do is get a little bit of momentum, just like you would on a bike, push off a few times, then put your other foot on, and then you can start to stride and focus on your arms. So I'm going to put my foot on the lowest platform, push off a couple times, and now to turn, I'm going to lean over by moving my hips to that side and lean right over. If I want to turn the other direction, I put my hips on this side, and I go right around the turn. It's that simple. When you've been riding this for a little while, you want to come to a stop, you use brakes on both sides, and you make a nice controlled stop like this and step off. You don't have to bail off. So, what you need to do to learn to stride, find yourself an open space, could be a road, someplace where there's not much traffic, and just learn to do figure 8s. Steering one way, steering the other way. Now be safe and keep us posted.